You. Alright, guys. Game number. Match number 2. Yeah.
Piranha Plant versus Terry. Scary Terry at that. I think
And Spook actually going Piranha Plant. Funny, because I think you affected him during our friendlies too. And I see how the Piranha Plant attack. Game number 1. Piranha Plant's one of those obscure characters where if you don't know how to fight too well against them, you're gonna have tough times dealing with Tatooine and all of his weapons. Very trap-based character. While Terry is a very evolved character, just like that already at 109. Power dunk. Yup.
Power Plant is very powerful.
So good. Can happen almost every time. Oh wow. Tries to get the back air read right there. Does not though. Oh, falling for Tatooine. One of the best projectiles in the entire game. But Gold Meter's on now. Let's see. Whoa, that's just gonna take it. Power down. Thanks for stop. Yo, okay.
We'll go for it, though.
Right? He almost got it, but just did a little too early. But Patooie's gonna take it. Nice. Down throw. Forward air into forward tilt. Tries to go for an edge guard here. John makes it back nice and safe. Almost gets the conversion there, but perfect DI coming out from Spook. Ooh! What a down smash. Very quick. Pretty long hitbox too. Gets stage control again. Does not get hit by either Patooie or the down air. John with stage advantage right now. Oh! Air dodges in. Gets hit by the F smash. Make sure he does not want to get spiked. Okay, goes for the jab 1, 2, 3 for damage. And gets parried.
Nice parry.
Parried the get up attack. Alright. Good stuff. Only a couple hits away from getting gold meter. How can Spook answer this? Goes for down B. Oh, F smash. Not the sweet spot though. Tries to go for Patooie. There we go. What? Gets one F tilt, but not the second hit. Unfortunate stuff there.
Hey.
Ho ho ho! Actually does down tilt into Power Geyser 2 times. Alright, uses that to get out of the way. Great backer coming out from Spook. Right. Power Plant has the power to bring this back, but will John let that happen? Oh, gets grabbed out of his side B. Jab 1. Oh! Right, 135 to 10.
Strong hit, you might be dead.
160 and living. Spook has to make the craziest comeback right now if you can. Up. Into. Nothing! Yo, good attempt. And good job, John, taking game number 3.
Sorry, I think Sebastian wants to DQ.
Alright, Sebster. Okay. For everyone that completes tournaments, actually completes it, doesn't DQ, you guys are going to be... You know, it's been a while since we've done a raffle. Let's do a raffle again. If you guys stay in the tournament, you will be entered in the raffle. If you DQ, you will not be entered in this raffle or the next one after that. So
this is not bribing. I know you're trying to bribe me, and also I still haven't received my Pokemon card from the first ever raffle.
Which I still have, and we haven't discussed where exactly to distribute them, but once we have them ready at the office, you can come pick them up. And many more Pokemon cards that we have for you.
There was a whole real-life tournament on May the 4th. That was probably the best place you could have given to me.
You know, this is true, but we forget things. Like, I literally forgot the Pokemon game. And you know, that was a big thing. No one was like reminding us. We're focusing more on the tournament aspect, but it's still here waiting. So Rafa's still in. Try not to DQ Cedric, and you know, just give it some time.
Okay, I won't DQ. Maybe.
Alright, I like that. All I want to hear.
Probably still, but maybe.
What?
Alright. So we're gonna go on to next game number 2. We have John versus Spook. Spook actually going his main Sonic now. I do like this pick. A lot of people need some good Sonic practice, and Spook is the one to do it. And showing just why it's tried and true. Already up 1 stock against John. Carry is powerful, but speed might be too much at the moment. Ooh, it's a down air. And just gets it. Oh, alright. We in it.
Hey, Sonic speed is way too much. It's a big difference from playing against Piranha playing.
Literally.
With an upbeat. Can't wait to see a kid with that.
Right? We have a Go Meter on deck right now. Harry is playing really defensive, which is good. What you want to do against Sonic 50%?
Uh-oh. Oh. Sonic's not even giving him the chance to use his skill.
Forward air into... Back throw. Not enough to kill just yet. Living at 184. Oh no!
Are you okay?
Oh, that was a good catch right there.
Right, the raw Buster Wolf here. Can you get another? Will this actually kill this time? Forward throw does not do it. That was crazy. Right, runs in, forward tilts, stuff. Not too bad right now, actually. Sonic is at a good percentage to die. Oop. There we go, spin dash out of there. There's dash attack.
Nice
Wow! Just jab one into power jump. Good stuff, John. Even Stevens right now, 1-1. Wow. Alright, over down tilts. This is a good version. Sonic fighting back though. Let's see. Spin dash into. Sweet. Nice move there. Oh! Oh!
Ooh, forward smash.
Nice.
Spook is putting on that pressure.
The double back air got him stage control.
Yeah, let's go.
Are you okay?
Man, that raw Buster Wolf might have cost him. But still showing signs of life.
Are you okay?
Ooh.
He really wants to ask Sonic if he's okay.
Uh-oh, back air is not enough.
Right? Wow.
Ooh, good.
Mm,
No, the up
but jumps into the up smash. Good stuff, Spook. Yeah, that's one thing.
Piece of cake.
That's one thing in this game. If you jump on top of your opponent and they do an up smash, you're almost not likely gonna win. So be very careful with that. Good stuff, Spook though, saving that the entire game.
Unless you coming down with a sword like
Like Link.
ooh, Link, yeah. What is that? It's like a you both get hit, right?
Link's has a lot of priority, so unless it
Okay.
has like invincibility, he's most likely gonna win.
Okay.
And yeah, in that situation, Spook just waited to hold up smash and got the win for that.
Got the read.
2. It is the June berry season, everybody. Game number 2 taking it to Hollow Bastion. Sonic Blue.
Okay. 70% already.
Ooh, trying to get the S smash, but Sonic being too quick with it.
We tried to go for the read.
Ooh, forward tilt, get stage control. And Space Gun John. Keep it back safe.
Are you okay?
I have a feeling these. Oh no! I have a feeling these random Buzz Wolves are probably him trying to do power attack. Jab, jab into up B, almost taking it. Oh!
Good read from that row.
Good stuff.
Ooh, that hesitation.
No. Fortunate stuff. Tried not to get hit by the spring, but his own demise there. Alright, let's see. Let's see if John can bring it back.
Ooh, he's not losing without a fight.
And getting the F smash there, but just clanking is kind of ridiculous. Ooh, that's a combo there from Sonic.
Mm-hmm.
He's trying to find a way to get in there, but Sonic is too fast.
He's really fast, turning all over his shoes. Oh, wow. That's gonna do it. Moves on 2-0 against Gearshift.
That was almost too easy.
Right.